Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Vonage app settings step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Vonage app icon. Tap on the icon to launch the app. Once the app is open, navigate to the settings menu. You can typically find the settings icon in the bottom toolbar or in the app's main menu. Touch the settings icon to enter the settings page. Scroll down to find the option that says Account or My Account. Select the Account option to access your account settings. Look for the option labeled Uninstall, Remove Account, or similar wording. Tap on that option to proceed with the uninstallation process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to uninstall the app settings. Read the confirmation message carefully and select Yes or Confirm to continue. After confirmation, the app will begin the process of uninstalling your account settings. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification or message indicating successful uninstallation. Exit the Vonage app and return to your device's home screen. Locate the Vonage app icon again for the next step. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears or it starts to jiggle. Select Remove App or Uninstall from the options available. Confirm the uninstallation by selecting Delete or Uninstall. The Vonage app, along with its settings, will be removed from your device. You have successfully uninstalled the Vonage app and its settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.